In this video, I will show you how you can hide or display pages in your Google Blogger site. So let's get started with the video. You can see in this Blogger site, there are 4 pages displayed below the site title. To hide these pages, you need to go to Google Blogger site dashboard. And here, you need to click the Themes tab on the left side of the page. And again, you need to click the Customize button on the right. Again, in the left of the page, you need to click Gadgets tab. Next, from this drop-down menu list, you need to select Pages. And here, the Show Pages toggle button is active. To hide pages in the top menu bar, you need to disable the toggle button. And again, click the Save icon, and save the changes made. When we go back and refresh the page, the pages are no more visible in the Blogger site. To display the pages in the blog site, we need to enable the toggle button under Pages, and save the changes made. And done, again the pages are visible in Google Blog site. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.